Good morning, Tahoe. It's Adria with Wake Up Tahoe with Drew Murin, and I am out and about driving to go film our Monday Mystical Monday segment as guest host with Drew Murin. And today we're supposed to have the webcast up, which the Wirecast at 12:30, TahoeNetworkTV.com. And then we are going to, later this week, have all the links for all of our businesses, guests, and out and about segments that we've been taping the last 2.5 weeks. It's been a long road to this point, and Drew and I are real super excited to be able to share some of our hard work with everyone. So I hope you stay tuned to TahoeNetworkTV.com, our YouTube, which is Drew with You, and that's where we post our behind the scenes. We're also doing at Wake Up Tahoe. You can on Twitter, so you can Twitter with us as soon as we get 500 followers. Drew's going to wear fishnets with Coach Hammer on the show, so that'll be exciting. That'll be brought to you from the Tees and Please in Tahoe. They'll be donating and sponsoring that segment. And then let's see. Besides that, we've got our Facebook page, and we're at 75 subscribers right now. So let's try and share that and get a few more. Once we hit 100, maybe we'll have a special Facebook giveaway or something. So wish us luck. I'm real excited for today. Have a great one, Tahoe. Back to you, Drew.